Here is a new raised bed that I recently made in the space where the two older wooden raised beds used to be. As you can see in the video, the wood were weak and they were breaking apart. They were already eaten up by some mite and it was already giving way. So I had to make a new bed. But the prices of wood are expensive. If I need to make a higher raised bed with wood, it will be a lot more expensive. Welcome again to my garden, Mireju Garden, and you're joining me today as we make a new raised bed with roofing sheets and a few woods. Mireju Gardens provide you tips, ideas, guides, and hacks to maximize your small space for your gardening needs and to maximize your harvest. To my returning viewers, thank you for staying tuned. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and do turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new upload from me. Like and share and help more people view this content. I appreciate your support as I grow this channel. Thank you. With just about 30,000 naira, equivalent to $20, I was able to put this roofing sheet raised bed with a little wood. I was able to put that together. When I did check this kind of raised bed on Jumia, I found that the cost is between 100,000 and 130,000. So it's quite cheaper and easier to make it yourself. So this is something that you could do yourself. Depending on the space you have available, you could modify the height and the length to suit your space. This particular raised bed covered for the two raised bed that I removed. It's a lot deeper. I can have plants that require more depth in this raised bed. As you can see in the video, I employed a carpenter to help me put the wood and the sheets together. The cost of his workmanship and the materials are all built into the sum. The raised bed measures 8 feet long by 4 feet wide and 4 feet deep. Your own raised bed will be determined by the amount of space you have and the kind of things you want to grow. I got 3 roofing sheets and 6 lengths of 2 by 4 wood.